Check out this Jeep 2020 Cherokee Limited. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are engine, 2.4 Li40 evap MAIR with ESS, STD, diamond black crystal pearl coat, quick order package 2BG included, engine 2.4 Li40 evap MAIR with ESS transmission, 9-speed 940 automatic, tires, 225/55 R18 all-season, STD, black premium leather trim bucket seats, wheels, 18-inch x 7 inches polished painted aluminum, STD, gross vehicle weight, 5050 lbs, STD, 3.734 axle ratio STD, and transmission, 9-speed 940 automatic, STD. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away.